Hello and welcome to Online QC YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can record your screen for free by using a software for recording your desktop or your laptop screen. Now you can have any purpose for wanting to record your screen. So what you do is on a new tab, go to automicsystems.com/activepresenter. This thing will be provided for you down below so that you can easily download it as well. Now that the page is loaded, click on this download button that you see here. Now you can see that Active Presenter is available for download on either Windows or Mac PC, and there are also other older versions for you to download for people who might be using older operating systems on their PC or laptop. You can see it's available for Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, and 10 for different versions of 32-bit and 64-bit. And then there are also older versions for Mac OS X 10.10 and so on, which you can see the release date over here as well. So I'm gonna be downloading the latest version. So click on keep. I've already downloaded the previous. I've previously downloaded the software so that this video will go on smoothly. So I just click open the setup file by clicking on it. So mine doesn't allow this, so I'm gonna be turning on this feature where it will allow me to download softwares even from outside the App Store in my Windows PC. So allow apps from anywhere. So now it will allow me to install the program onto my PC, laptop that is. So click on run. So I'm going to cancel this as this is just another copy. Click on yes. Click on next, next, and install. Now make sure that you use this software to record appropriate screens and all that, and not misuse this software, because that can be kind of backfiring on the freeware version of this software. So you can see that it's installing and that it is adding Active Presenter license activator to my Windows, so that I can easily use this software on my PC to record my screen. So I click on finish and launch Active Presenter. You can see that it's initializing, meaning it's opening up, being launched on my laptop. Since this is the first time that I'm launching the application, it's taking quite a while. This is probably the readme of the software. You can read through it, try to understand how the program works, or you can just, let it be and read it later to kind of know what the software is about. So right here you can see the kind of layout that I can record my screen in over here. So record video, something like this. And then you can decide whether it's full screen or you can customize the screen recording on your own. So basically this is how you record your screen from Active Presenter. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment videos.